3.5 lakh crore rupees were spent last year on the treatment of road accident victims across the country. That's more than the National Defence or Education budget. Besides the human tragedies, the financial cost of these road accidents is enormous. That's our focus today on our special series as part of our road safety campaign. Tanima Biswas has more.
One and a half years old Lakshya can barely recognize the people in the photo frame. He lost his parents last year to a terrible road accident in South Delhi. 34 years old Deepak Sharma and his wife Asha had gone out shopping on a bike. The accident claimed Asha's life on the spot. Deepak suffered severe head injuries and was in coma for 9 months before breathing his last in March this year.
क्लास 15 का मेट्रो स्टेशन के नीचे जो बीआरटी बनी हुई है उससे टकराया है ये.
Whenever there's a road accident, there is an obvious human tragedy. But the other aspect of it is the economic impact that it has when it comes to losing the main breadwinner of the family or even the mounting hospital bills.
Deepak, who worked as a BPO executive, was the main earning member. This middle-class family had to spend over 40 lakhs for his treatment.
एक दिन में ही सब कुछ एकदम से चेंज ओवर हो गया था. अभी भी फाइनेंशियल बिल्कुल खत्म हो चुके हैं. सेविंग्स बिल्कुल हमारी बिल्कुल जीरो है.
According to a report of the World Health Organization last year, 3% of the gross domestic product is lost in the country due to road accidents. That amounts to a whopping 3.5 lakh crores. Consider this. The defense budget of the country is 2 lakh crores, health and education is rupees 37,000 crores, and rural development is rupees 80,000 crores. Experts say the government cannot ignore the economic impact of road safety any longer.
What we do not see is that the entire state machinery gets pressed into action. A person who is employed and we lose a skilled manpower, then there is a huge expense to compensate that resource also, because you have to again develop a skilled manpower for that.
The answer lies in building awareness and creating infrastructure which makes our roads safer. But for the Sharma family, which has added 2 names to the statistics of road accident victims in the country, change is already too late. Crippling expenses, adding to the emotional pain, and a young boy growing up without his parents. In New Delhi with Ketki Angre and camera person Sanjay Das, Tanima Biswas for NDTV.